So, Freeman, here's that baby beaver I was talking about. I went back to the sweet potatoes, and there he was, eating my sweet potatoes again. Weren't you? What are you doing? You can see by my hand how the size of it is, right? And he was eating my sweet potatoes. And then he sort of tried to run away, but as you can see, he's not very good at that. Oh yeah, but you are cute. You can see his little tail over there, right? There's not much of a tail, maybe 5 inches long. And he is, I think, smaller than a cat. And he's unbelievably cute. I mean, look at that, right? Anyway, there he is. So I'm gonna let him go, okay? And I'm gonna build the fence. He's trying to escape. Poor guy. Have a look here. The camera, they want to see you. There you go, eh? There he is. He's a good guy. Aren't you a good guy? Very cooperative. He really is. I'll send you this video. Bye.